Creating your website with Google Sites, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our tutorial on how to create your own website using Google Sites. Whether you're an entrepreneur, a student, or someone with a passion to share, having a website can open doors to countless opportunities. And with Google Sites, you can build your online presence quickly and easily without any prior coding knowledge. This step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of creating a professional looking website on Google Sites, from setting up your account to customizing your site's design and adding content. We've got you covered. By the end of this tutorial. You'll have your very own website up and running, ready to showcase your ideas, projects, or business to the world. So let's dive and get started on building your website with Google Sites. So, first of all, for people who don't know what Google Sites is, Google Sites offers a hassle-free website building experience, allowing you to focus on content creation rather than technical complexities. It's also a free platform provided by Google, making it accessible to everyone regardless of their budget or technical expertise. Whether you're a small business owner, a student, or an enthusiast wanting to share your passions with the world, Google Sites empowers you to create professional looking website with ease or easily. So let's start our tutorial. First of all, you open your web browser and navigate to Google Sites website by typing sites.google.com into the address bar. If you're not already signed in to your Google account, click on the sign in button in the top right corner and enter your username and password to sign in. As you can see, I am already signed in. That's why I already have here Google Sites homepage. Here you can click on this plus icon to create a new site or to add a new page here, or inserting content blanks or incorporating a various feature into your website. So let's click over here. As you can see, with blank site, but to move faster, well, quickly select a template. You can just click here and choose the template, or a template that suits the content and correspond to your website requirement. We have here a different template. For example, I would choose one. I would choose, for example, restaurant. As you can see, we've here a pre-designed template to start. Starting with a pre-designed template offers a range of benefits that streamline the website development process and empower you to create a professional, visually appealing website easily. Here, on the right side hand of the function screen, with three functions to modify your website: insert, pages, and themes. The first one, insert, allows you to add various types of content elements to your website. This includes text box, images, videos, links, maps, calendars, and more. Let's see, for example, under this text, we can, or I would like to add a content block with this, for example, this two image. The only thing you have to do is select the place where you want to put it, and then you click. As you can see, I can edit image here, images or videos, and I can also add text down below. Moreover, there is a variety stuff you can add to your website. For example, um, table of contents, divider, spacer, and also some stuff related to Google, for example, YouTube or Map or Docs, slides, and everything or whatever you want and need in your website. Then second function is pages. This function is referring to the individual section or web pages that make up your website. Each page certain specific content or information related to a particular topic or aspect of your sites. You can create pages, editing it, or organizing it. If you no longer need a page, you can delete it. So here, what we have. Then the third function is themes. As you can see, here is a lot of themes you can choose, and when we choose themes, as you can see, your website is changing. So here, for example, is the name of your website, and if you wanna add it, a logo to, you can. And for example, let's see the other option we have here, the ability to undo and redo, and the important one is here is helping you to know if your website is helping you to know if your website need modification on how it looks like, and for example how it looks like with a large screen or tablet or phone. So if you want to finish, or if you have finished your website and you want to make it accessible to the public, if you finish your website and you want to make it accessible to the public on the internet, you need just to click over here, I mean publish. I will click, and it becomes viewable by anyone with the link that you will share here. And if you want a custom domain to have a professional website, you can choose, and then you will have your website ready. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.